guys, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be decorating my tree that's downstairs in our family room. I'm going to be decorating with a lot of reds and snowy picks. Let's go ahead and get into decorating. Bottom of these I'm going to keep straight because I'm just going to slide it right down the center pole of the tree. And for a little extra support, I'm just wrapping some of these wire branches of the actual tree around the tree topper. And this will all be hidden by a bow also. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make the swag. We're going to have 3 of them on this tree. This is a 7-foot tree. We're going to do one over here, and one down here. And obviously you're going to need more for a larger tree. So this one we're going to start with this branch here. I've already folded it here. This one I'm going to keep kind of shorter. That way I can just lay it on the side of a branch and have it hang over the side. Looks like I may have cut this off of a garland and just made it a pick, which is a really good idea and a cheaper option. So I'm going to add this to the middle here, weave them in and out of these other branches, just like that. And then I've got this red that I'm going to just hang off of like this. So this is what you're going to see off the side of the tree. So I'm going to go ahead and wire this.
It's not the first time that I'm happy. It's not the first time I feel good. But it's been a while since that happened. No.
So here's where I'm going to go in with my extra large ornaments. These are glass bulbs. These are the ones that are going to go deeper into the tree, closer to the pole. I've also got some wire wrapped here so that it's easy to just wrap around a branch. And then when I go to undecorate, I'll just pull them and they'll just come right off of the tree branch. This is kind of an older tree, so the lights have gone out, so I had to wrap some other lights around here. But you'll see when I'm finished that you won't even be able to tell. These ones are the next largest, so I'm going to go in with these. I only have 2 of these. Bells, I like them to tip up a little bit so that you can see all the detail from the bottom of the bells.
I try to stay cool on the surface. I'd ask you to stay if I could. Though my lips are sealed, you still get me. Yeah, you do.
One of these.
That's why I said that.
I'm going to do the bow right here, so I'm going to kind of make this look like it's part of the tree topper.
Why I said that we should be more than a couple of hours.
I've got 4 of these.
So kiss me again and again and again, the way it should be. You see, we're more than a couple of hours away from love. So kiss me again and again and again. You give me goosebumps.
All right, next up are these cute white snowflakes. Where did I get these? I got them from Home Goods, and these are gonna be new ornaments. I usually like, if they're larger like this, I'll stick them in the tree a little bit so that they're in a little bit and out a little bit. This is where I'm just going to grab a branch like this and wrap it right around. I'm going to keep going with my ribbon. This is how I wrap it up for the years, just so that it doesn't get all crinkly and gross. Then I can just lay it flat inside of the containers. I just found these, so I would have already put these in after I put the big clear ones in, but that's okay. I'll just find a good spot for them.
Ooh, baby, it's like the world is on our side. Nothing can bring me down tonight. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, hey, I got a brand new love you. Take me away.
Now I'm going to go in with these smaller ones and hang them on the outside branches.